Shalom! I have great news for you. We are opening new destinations. We're actually reopening 4 new destinations. In 2018 and 2019, we opened Greece and Italy, and then COVID happened, so we are never reopened them again. So right now we're opening 4 new destinations. Italy, with its beautiful food, culture, and nature. Greece, with the magnificent islands that, what can I tell you, it's my backyard, it's phenomenal. Portugal and Spain. Portugal, we're even building a hotel that will be opening in 2026. So with all this hard time that we're passing right now in Israel, as you can guess, our business and tours to Israel were stopped. So we decided to really use that opportunity to open 4 new destinations for you with the same philosophy, with the same idea of the tours that we're doing here. As you know, from 2008, Benny Levine, together with the team at Let Travel, started to create tours that are more than tours. They are turning every single tour into a personal growth opportunity. In every single tour to Israel, we are behind the scenes adding different challenges, things that will challenge you, your family, your kids, gather you together, increase the connections between the family members, but more than everything else, really touch a little bit those personal growth, our fears, our comfort zone. We want to expand them. If it's physical, if it's mental, if it's new, different food that you never tried, or new cultures and way of thinking, that for me personally, travel is really opening those opportunities. So we took all those ideas and we're applying them on the new destinations. Those destinations are the first 4 that I personally love, been and spend many, many months on. Found the right connections, find the right people, found the right spots to eat, great and amazing guides, great people on the ground, hidden wineries, hidden holes in the walls that serve a unique traditional food, and of course, nature and outdoor. We love it. We love to be outdoor, we love to travel, but also we love to make a connection to Judaism. Because it is, at the end, something that is really affecting us on who we are. We're born in Israel as a travel company, and we did many, many destinations along the way with small private tours, including Morocco and Thailand and Vietnam and Laos. But along the way, we were deciding what are the destinations we're going to open. And all of those destinations have a very deep and live, until today, Jewish communities. So if you want to visit Europe in these 4 destinations, please give us the chance. Make sure that you're calling us, booking with us, and we are promising, and including me personally, that you will have the trip of a lifetime that will change your perspective, empower your connection to yourself, but most important, really build those connections within the family and in the group. I see you in Spain, Portugal, Greece, or Italy in 2024. And hopefully, also Israel will reopen for regular tours this year, and we can still think that this year we will be in Jerusalem and not really next. In the meantime, shalom, shalom, and thank you for your support.